Put clothes in a basket. Let's learn how to put clothes in a basket. Basket. Say the word basket. Point to the picture of the basket. There it is up in the top corner. That's the basket. What things do you put in the basket? Let's find out. Shirt. Say the word shirt. Put shirt in basket. Point to the picture of the shirt. There it is down by the bottom. Great job. Pants. Say the word pants. Put pants in basket. Point to the picture of the pants. There they are. Pants. Sweater. Say the word sweater. Put sweater in basket. Point to the picture of the sweater. There it is, it's down at the bottom. Good for you. Sock. Say the word sock. Put sock in basket. Point to the picture of the sock. It's down at the bottom as well. You made a match. Watch Mr. Liolis put clothes in the basket.
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liolis, and today we're going to learn how to put things in a laundry basket. This is a basket. We're going to put things in the basket. This is a shirt. Put the shirt in the basket. These are pants. We're going to put the pants in the basket. This is a sweater. We're going to put the sweater in the basket. And last, this is a sock. We're going to put the sock in the basket. And we are finished doing our laundry today.
Homework. Practice putting clothes in a basket. Put shirt in basket. Put pants in basket. Put sweater in basket. And put socks in basket.